Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Wendy Joe, and I am back today to teach you how you can earn passive income by listening to music. Yes, listening to music. You're not going to create a full-time income necessarily from these, but they are going to bring in a little extra cash. Some of these would also be great for teenagers for wanting to bring in extra money. So let's jump in and I'll show you what these 15 sites are. The first one is called Music Xray. So it's one of the more popular sites in the music industry that pays you to listen to music. Once you sign up, you'll be asked to upload 5 songs that you like in MP3 format. And this is just so they can get an idea of what sort of music you like to listen to, so that then they can match you up with your taste of music. They'll deliver the songs that they choose for you straight into your inbox. And then you just need to listen to the songs for at least 30 seconds and then write a short review. You have to review the songs within 24 hours of getting them in the inbox, but that's pretty much it. The minimum threshold to get paid out on this is $20. And so once you've earned that, then you can get paid through PayPal. So pretty easy. The next one is called Hit Predictor. It lets you listen to new songs before they're actually released by the artist themselves. And they do this so that they can kind of get some feedback and decide if it's ready to go or if they need to make some adjustments before they release it to the rest of the public. So you can listen to any genre you want on here. You can choose a genre or let them just pick for you. Once you sign up, you listen to the songs, give your honest feedback by rating them, and that's it. The company offers rewards to users for they're listening by points. So the points is basically you get 3 points, which is equal to $1 for every song that you rate. So that's not too bad. Once you've accumulated enough points in your wallet, you can redeem those for Amazon gift cards and prizes. Okay, number 3 is called Radio Earn. So this one, you can earn passive income just by listening to the music. It's completely free to listen to. The only drawback is you can't skip the ads that are on there, but if it's playing in the background, it's not really that big of a deal. You earn points for listening, and those are converted to US dollars. So you can pay directly into your bank account, Amazon cards, Bitcoin, those types of things. The account is completely free to set up. And another really cool feature with this one, if you run a blog, they have an API and you can actually put that on your blog. So every time your visitors come to your blog, they're listening to that music and you actually are going to earn money from just visitors coming to your blog. So that's pretty cool. It's almost like an AdSense sort of thing. The next site is called Earnably. This is kind of like Swagbucks. If you've heard of Swagbucks, you can earn money by doing multiple tasks, including watching music videos and listening to radio stations. So every task that they give you offers you a different incentive for completing it. Watching a live music video is going to earn you 0.7 points, and just collect the points as you go until you can cash out. Now you can also do surveys on this site, so you can increase your earnings by doing that. But the threshold's pretty low on this. Once you reach $2, you can cash out through PayPal or with gift cards. They do have a referral link with this company, which I like because I'm all about those referral links that you can earn affiliate income from. And if anybody uses your link to join, then you can earn a 10% commission on all of their earnings for a lifetime. Number 5 is called Unique Rewards, and it's a GPT website that's open to the US, the UK, and Canadian citizens. This one's also available for 13 years old. You have to either be 18, or if you're 13, you can do it with parents' permission to operate the website. So that's pretty cool for teenagers if they want to earn a little extra money. On this site, you can earn money by taking surveys, reading emails, shopping, watching videos, and again, listening to radio stations, which is why we included it. So there's a lot of different ways to earn on this one. There is a small catch with this one. It's not terrible, but every 30 minutes of listening, you do need to enter a CAPTCHA, which is where you just check and say, I'm not a robot. So that happens every 30 minutes, but other than that, it's just a minor inconvenience. US citizens get paid 3 cents, and British Canadian citizens will get 1 cent. British and Canadian citizens will get 1 cent per CAPTCHA entered. Once you've reached $20 in your account, you can cash out with PayPal or they'll send you a check. All right, so we have 10 more sites to check out, but I do want to remind you that if you want to learn how to earn passive income and learn how we went from $120,000 in debt to making $1 million in just 2 years, make sure that you like this video and hit the subscribe button. I do not sell courses. All of my education is completely free, and it's right here on my YouTube channel. It's the only place you can find all of my full-length videos. All right, back to our list. Number 6 is called research.fm. So this is a company that provides data to radio stations on what kind of music that they need to play. For this one, you need to give feedback on the songs you listen to. The company's going to ask you to fill out a quick survey, which they send you by email, and then they pay for your review. Once you've reached the minimum threshold, which I don't know what that is on this particular site, but you can redeem it for Amazon gift cards. Number 7 is called We Localize. It's a more unique way to earn money by listening to music compared to the other sites that I've shared, because it's a mixture of listening to the songs and then transcribing the words to those songs. So you need to be able to transcribe, need to be able to type pretty well to do this if you want to make decent money. But if you're a music lover and you know how to transcribe, it's a pretty great option. And the company's paying $4 per song, which is pretty good. It does take a little longer to do them, but if it was me, I would record the song, upload it to an AI software that creates auto text for you to help with the process. It's going to speed everything up. So that's just my 2 cents worth on that. So when you sign up, they're going to send you an introduction video. You'll fill out the application form, select your preferences, and then just start transcribing. If you have good typing skills, this is definitely a good option for you. There's also no time limit on this. So I kind of like that too. So you can work it in with your schedule if you're a stay-at-home mom, or if you work full-time, you could do this part-time on the side. All right, number 8 is called Playlist Push. And this is kind of a cool one. I didn't know this existed, but if you have a playlist in Spotify or Apple Music, you can actually monetize it. So to qualify for this one, you need to own a playlist, obviously. And then you also need to have a minimum of 400 followers. So if you don't have that, you're going to want to build that up first before you apply for this one. But basically, you're just going to write reviews on the website about the songs that you listen to. So this helps new and independent artists to reach potential audiences that they might not normally reach. They pay pretty good money for this too. You're going to get $1 up to $12 per song based on your follower base. So if you're good at creating playlists and reviewing songs, this might be for you. They send the money directly to your bank account. Number 9 is called Cash for Minutes. The website here gives you several tasks to earn money. One of those obviously is going to be listening to music, because that's what this video is all about. They pay you 8 cents per minute for listening to live radio stations. For this one, you just create a profile, fill out your contact details, and then they can either send you a text or they can send you an email. And the only catch with this one is you actually call in to a number. That's how they record that you're listening, and listen on the phone to the radio. So what I would do for this one is set up a Google Voice number, so that you can kind of have it playing in the background, maybe on your computer or something like that, and it's not tying up your phone line, because if you're like me, you're on your phone all day. So once you've reached the minimum threshold with this one, you can redeem it through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, Bitcoin, or Litecoin. I love that some of these are actually paying in Bitcoin and Litecoin. It's kind of fun, because who knows where those are going to end up someday. Maybe your, $20 will turn into 2,000. So, all right, let's go on to number 10. It's called Current Rewards. With Current Rewards, you can listen up to 100,000 live radio stations from your lock screen on your smartphone. The app will pay you based on the minutes that you listen to the radio. The money earned is in the form of points. So during playback, you'll get several opportunities to generate additional points on top of just listening. The app is available in both the Apple App Store and in the Google Play Store as well. They're constantly creating new challenges for listeners, like surveys and reviews and stuff, so there's always going to be new opportunities there. Number 11 is called Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Now, Nielsen, if you're not familiar with it, is who has always done all of the TV research through the years to figure out what people are watching, when they tune out, that type of stuff. This is the old school analytics, basically. So now they do this market research and do it on the music industry. They work with big brands and businesses to understand their customers' sentiments. And so this one's a little different. Again, you don't get actually paid to listen to music from the app, because this app is going to run in the background. You're going to install it on your phone, give it the permission it needs to monitor your music that you're listening to and your playlists and kind of your music activities. They're just going to observe it and use it for research. And you can earn up to $50 a year just by installing the app. So that one is absolutely, completely passive. You're not going to earn a lot of money from it, but it's still $50. All right. Number 12 is called Slice the Pie. Slice the Pie is a company that helps amateur artists and fashion brands to pilot surveys about their products before entering the market. They will randomly select a piece of music for you to listen to. You have to listen to 60 seconds and then write a minimum of 45 words for your review. So the earnings on this one can be paid out through PayPal once the minimum threshold reaches $10. Your pay can increase as your account gets older with this one. So I do like that you have the potential to work up to higher payouts. Number 13 is called Genius, and it's another site that pays you to listen to the music and transcribe the lyrics. The next one is called Collect.fm, and this one is a Netherlands-based startup company that was created to make a platform for music creators and brand curators all around the globe. So you'll work closely with brands and provide feedback on the songs or music that you get to listen to. The one thing with this one is they do expect expert advice and opinions, which means you're going to have a little bit of background in this industry in order for this one to work for you. They accept applications basically based on if you have industry experience or not. So, I mean, you can try no matter what, but I would definitely make sure you polish up your resume and at least get a little experience before you apply for that one. Our last site is called Fusion Cash. It's another website that just helps you earn money by listening to music and doing tasks. The site offers a $5 sign-up bonus, so there's that. You can earn $5 just for going over and signing up. And to sign up, you do have to be at least 13 years old and a U.S. resident, or if you're 18 and above in any other country. You can redeem your earnings on PayPal, or they'll send you a check. And once your threshold on this one, I believe it has to hit $25. Those are the 15 sites you can earn extra cash from just for listening to music. If you want to learn more ways to earn passive income, check out this video on 5 businesses that I would recommend starting this year that cost you $0 to get started.